Managing money can be overwhelming, right? Between bills, savings, and investing, it's easy to feel like you're always behind. But what if I told you there's a way to manage your finances effortlessly and free up your mental space? Today, I'm going to show you how to put your finances on autopilot and make your money work for you, even while you sleep. Let's face it, keeping track of bills, savings, and investments is time-consuming. And when life gets busy, it's easy to miss a payment or put off saving. That's where automation comes in. By automating your finances, you can ensure your bills are paid on time, your savings grow consistently, and your investments work in the background, all without you lifting a finger. This system not only saves time, but it also eliminates the stress of managing your finances manually. Now, what exactly should you automate? I'm going to give you 4 areas where automation can really make a difference. 1. Bills. Start with the essentials, your bills. Automate payments for utilities, rent or mortgage, credit cards, and any recurring subscriptions. Most banks in the U.S. offer an online bill pay feature that allows you to schedule these payments automatically. No more worrying about due dates or late fees. 2. Savings. Next up is saving. Every paycheck, you should automatically transfer a portion, whether it's 5%, 10%, or more, into a separate savings account. Most banks let you set up recurring transfers from your checking to savings, so it's done without you even noticing. 3. Investing. Here's a secret. The most successful investors aren't timing the market. They're consistently investing over time. Whether it's your 401k at work, a Roth IRA, or a taxable brokerage account, you can automate regular contributions. Many platforms in the U.S., like Vanguard, Fidelity, or even apps like Acorns, allow automatic investing, helping you build wealth over time. 4. Debt repayment. If you've got student loans, credit card debt, or any other loans, automate your payments. This not only keeps you on track, but also helps you avoid late fees and, in some cases, even lowers your interest rate. Many lenders offer a discount if you sign up for AutoPay. Okay, let's talk about the how. Setting up financial automation might sound complicated, but trust me, it's not. Let's walk through it step by step. Step 1. Automate your bills. Log into your bank's online platform. Go to the Bill Pay section and add the companies you need to pay, like your utility provider, landlord, or credit card company. Set up recurring payments for each one. You can even choose the exact date you want the payment to be made each month. Step 2. Automate your savings. Next, automate your savings. Go to the transfer section of your bank's app or website and set up an automatic transfer from your checking to your savings account. You can schedule this for the day after your paycheck hits, so you never even see that money sitting in your checking account. Step 3. Automate your investments. Most 401k plans automatically take money from your paycheck, but if you have a Roth IRA or any other investment account, you can set up automated contributions. Log into your investment platform, choose your contribution amount, and how often you want to invest: weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. This ensures you're investing consistently, which is key to long-term growth. Step 4. Automate debt payments. Lastly, head over to your loan provider's website and look for the AutoPay option. Enter your payment details, set it to pay either the minimum or the full amount, and let the system do the work for you. It's one less thing you have to remember each month. Once your finances are on autopilot, you'll have so much more peace of mind. But that doesn't mean you can just forget about it forever. It's important to check in on your accounts every couple of months. Make sure your bills are being paid on time, your savings are growing, and your investments are aligned with your goals. If you get a raise or come into extra money, adjust your automatic transfers to increase savings and investments. By now, you've probably realized that financial automation is a game changer. Not only does it save time, but it also keeps you consistent. When your savings and investments grow automatically, you build wealth without even thinking about it. And that's the key: consistency over time. Think of financial automation as your money working for you in the background. While you're busy living your life, your finances are taken care of. Ready to put your finances on autopilot? Start by automating one thing today, whether it's a bill, a savings transfer, or an investment contribution. Once you take that first step, the rest becomes easy. Remember, the sooner you set this up, the sooner you'll enjoy the freedom of having your money work for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.